Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to share a Google Drive link on Messenger using the full 2026 setup. This method is great for sending large videos, photos, documents, or files that are too big to attach directly inside Messenger. So first, open your browser, go to drive.google.com, and log in with your Google account. Once your Drive dashboard loads, we're ready to begin. Start by finding the file or folder you want to share. Right-click on it, then select Get Link. A link window will appear showing the current access settings for that file. Look for the section that says General Access. If it's set to Restricted, only specific people can open it, which means your Messenger contact may not be able to see it. To make sharing easier, click the drop-down and choose anyone with the link or set the access to Viewer if you only want them to view the file. Once you've updated the access, click the Copy Link button. This copies the Google Drive link to your clipboard and makes it ready to send. Now open Messenger, either in your browser on messenger.com in the desktop app or inside the Messenger mobile app. Go to the chat where you want to send the file. Click or tap inside the message box and paste the link you just copied. Messenger will usually generate a small preview automatically. Press Enter to send the link. The other person can now click it and open the file instantly without needing the actual Google Drive app. If you're using your phone, the process is very similar. Open the Google Drive app, tap the file, choose Share, then tap Copy Link. Switch over to Messenger on your phone, open the chat, paste the link, and send it. And that's it. That's how to share a Google Drive link on Messenger using the 2026 setup. It's fast, reliable, and allows you to send large files without worrying about storage or upload limits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next